that.
Hello guys.
I thought I could do that. We all thought we could do
So,
that.
we've had a quiet experience.
No, we get up there, yeah. If we push ourselves backwards. Yeah.
We was on the first floor. Well, we was on the ground, so we got on the first floor, which was okay, you know. And then we got to the second floor, which we are on at the minute.
This guy.
It wasn't that easy as the first floor, because there was a door left by the wall, and I can show you. We made it on the roof, by the way. You know, as you can see. You know, this is the roof. You know, this is the roof. That's the factory. If you can see that door. You know, I strongly advise people, if they are, you know, quite heavy in weight, it's not ideal for them to get up here, because, you know, we've had a tough time getting up here, to be honest with you. I mean, I weigh about 82 kg, so anyone above that is going to be quite difficult, unless if you're a ninja. So we made it to the top floor. As you can see,
don't tell them how.
Well, I've told them the whole story.
What the hell?
You know, it's pretty remarkable. You know, it's quite a big place. You know, I mean, we're gonna try get into up there as well. Okay. Up there and in there, and then we're gonna see what's there as well. I mean, there's a gap. Look. Excuse me, away from the edge, please.
Alright, let's go.
Both of you away from the edge.
Let's go, Adam. I'm just weighing yourself up.
Grab my bag, Adam. So,
Where's the guy really? Oh, you're gonna fall back.
thank you, Adam. What are you doing? Oh, thank you. Okay, so I was saying, there's a path there. I mean, we have to go up here. Here, I'll grab it. Cheers, thank you. We're just gonna explore this area, okay? First, we're gonna explore this. Tell him to come back up. We have to explore this area first. Oh, okay, this is quite cool. That's why he's jumping around, you know. Well, as I said, this is an old building, so please be careful. You understand? Yep. Where you step in, you don't wanna hurt yourself. Okay, Rehan, can you come back, please? You can play some golf.
Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna come.
So you can see, like, you know, how you know, high we are. I mean, that's definitely been on fire there. We had all that to explore as well. Look up there. Yep. On the other side, as you can see, on the other side. And look, we're not here to cause damages, okay? We're not here to steal anything. We're just here to explore, and this is what we do, okay? Come on, let's go. Come on. Excuse me, both of you. Let's go. So. Use the glove for
the rope. Go down.
For the rope.
Everybody know how to abseil?
Yeah.
Okay.
They know. Use that next time.
How do you know it's gonna hold our weight?
It's metal.
So let me just shoot this. Okay, that's.
Oh, sorry.
No, we're not going down there.
Yeah, no
because
way,
that is dangerous. Okay.
Yeah, we got.
That is too dangerous. Let's see what's in there. Okay, let's go around.
We gotta take another shower when we get home.
Yeah, nah, I think that's better. That's better.
This side's better.
Don't fall over.
Jeez, man, that's
Don't fall over. Not all of you are coming here. Okay, some of you stay there. I'm just gonna go check it out. Can I have the torch, please? Is this quite bright?
Yeah.
No.
No?
It's not.
Hey, bring him.
Give my torch. My torch.
You have the black one?
Have I? Oh yeah. Sorry, my bad.
We went wandering up around. I'm going.
Look in there.
What's in there?
Dude, it smells. I can't see anything.
How are you going to fit that? That's tiny.
This torch is very bad. I can't see anything.
Yeah, look, you can climb off this.
Oh, that goes far. What is here?
This used to be a beer factory, you see.
I know, but what are they doing here?
I don't know. There's a table in the middle somewhere. And, you know, it's a bit... But let's leave this place. We don't want to go in there. Seems a bit...
Find a way to get up.
Find a way to get up.
Climb on this floor into that.
Okay.
How's the tree growing on top of here? Moss.
Yeah, that's it.
So we got to put our foot on that bit into that door and in there. Can
you do that?
There. Shut up, man. I'll try. I was like, okay, listen, that was not my best moment. Okay.
Okay, so what my
I'll
nephew is
try.
saying is that we gotta get up there. But let me just go and see. Okay, 1 minute.
That goes on.
Just 1 minute. Well, there's a door for a reason, isn't it, here? Because people will end up there.
Stable.
Is there anything in there?
Remember, whatever looks easy to climb is gonna be harder to get down. So we have to judge ourselves. Yeah? Are we able to come down from there? No.
I think over here.
That's gonna be dangerous to come down.
We're going to fall.
The brick.
So you gotta
Look, if we
you
fall,
gotta
we
make
fall.
it more safer to come down than going up. Understand?
Watch it.
Ooh, that's a long drop.
Is it?
You jump from there to there. And that's
Holy moly, that's a long drop.
Good.
What about here? What about this one?
Is that the reason why you're not going?
I'm not going to piss you here. There could be people.
Well, so we have made it up. I mean, we can try going up there in that one, maybe.
No, the no.
Ah, you should record it when you build. When you see it's recording.
Yeah, just come down. No, get. Go around.
I'm sure how my favorite t-shirt is today.
Ooh.
See, it's not that easy, is it?
It's a fear, that's why.
Yeah, isn't it? That's what I mean. Like
We all know that it would have hurt. We all know it would have hurt, but I don't know why.
Just go around, and I'll grab you. I promise you.
Let me try this. It doesn't matter if I want something. Hey, give me that brick.
And put your belly back on your gun belly.
Right here. Right on the spot.
You know what? I'll go for that.
Yeah, go for the door. I'm telling you, it's the best.
See, we all know it would have hurt, but why would you think it?
What would you get?
Gotta get this washed, man.
It's not
Like
gonna
the construction.
What?
What? Did you hurt?
No, why my belly hurt just a bit. No, it wasn't even that painful. No, it wasn't. I know, if you go on your belly, it means it will hold both your legs.
No, wait. Just use the door.
Go on your belly, go on your belly.
Go around. I'll grab your feet. I promise you I'll grab your feet and I'll put you down. Come on. Come down. Yeah. Come down. Come down.
Go on.
Oh, got him. Go on. Go on. No. Oh. Okay. You okay? I landed straight. You okay?
I got this.
Oh, God. Well, we made it on the second. And we made it on the first floor, right? It's very dusty. Do not climb up there again, please.
What's this?
He's gonna show off, isn't he? Because he's a ninja. Yeah. Let's not try getting up there now. Come on. We need to go down, man. We need to explore the other side. Let's not waste time here. Good man.
Did you record it?
I recorded it. Well, he did.
Show me that. He showed me that.
Don't worry, I got plenty of recording.
If you did the one way you said you need to record. I will do that.
So guys, we just made it down, which was not easy. As I said, you know, it's quite difficult as well to get down, but we're gonna find the easiest way to get down now. So I don't think we're gonna use the same. Huh? We're gonna use the same side to get down.
He's over there.
So this is where we came.
Oh wait, no, he's over there. We're gonna use that first. We're gonna use this one and use the door.
There's another one, yeah. And there's that one.
With this one, you gotta be careful with the door.
Yeah, that looks quite easy. That looks quite easy, I think, to get down. Isn't it? That looks quite easy, isn't it? Look. You know why that's easy? You know why that one's easy? Because you can grab your hands from here, hang yourself down there, and
Then go down.
but we'll send the heaviest person first.
Hey, Bream, come here. Go down.
Maybe
Yeah.
we have to go. We have to use this way, mate. Sorry.
First. Actually, Ron, you go first.
We'll grab you. We'll grab you.
Yeah, Ron, go first.
Oh, no, go first.
No. You go first this time. No.
Support. Ron, go first.
Yeah, Rehan.
Go first.
We go lightest to heaviest.
Lightest and heaviest, then the rest.
Watch yourself, right?
Fall, boy.
Watch yourself. Grab your hands here.
I'm proving that
Here you
he's
go.
more suitable for this kind of...
I've got you, mate. I've got you.
Remember, it's like a ladder. Like a ladder.
Are you alright? Yeah.
Yeah.
You've got it, yeah?
Yeah.
Hold my hand.
Slowly, like, put it there.
You've got it, yeah?
Yeah, I got it.
You got it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Go on, jump.
Well, don't hold him.
It's holding on.
Of course it's gonna hold on.
You got it, Rian?
Don't
Watch your head, alright? Watch your head.
I got it.
There's metal bits and stuff everywhere, so watch it.
Wow, so sunny outside. Yeah, got it.
Okay. Ibrahim, your turn now. Just,
No, you
yeah. No, your turn, mate.
If we're gonna break, then what we're gonna do?
Hey, it breaks.
It's not gonna break.
Down.
It's not gonna break, I promise you.
Your pants are gonna get dirty, man.
Yeah, no, don't need it. We're talking about.
Wait, easy.
Easy, pal, let me go.
Oh, we might be able to get from the other building. Yeah, we can.
Can we?
Yeah, through that bit there.
Oh wow.
Wait, is that open? Oh my god, yeah. We can get to the other side of the...
Can we? Oh, wicked.
I don't go there yet. And then there's probably more stairs like that, yeah. We get to the other side.
Oh, sick. Is that the bridge?
Yeah.
Wicked.
Is it concrete? Yeah, that's concrete. I do. So, find the bridge.
We found the bridge, Adam. As you can see, guys, we made it to the roof. You know, we had to use the steps down there. But this is going to lead us to the other side,
Alright, yeah?
where we wanted to go. Stay with me. Let's have a look outside. See up here. So this looks like that it's been burned down as well. You know. So.
Hello. No.
Oh, here's a rope. What's going on?
Hello.
Hi. Swing.
Come on, climb down.
No, man. No, it's scary.
Keep to the middle. Come up.
Keep to the middle.
Because on the outside it's all breaking. The middle's the best part.
Keep to the middle. Light steps. Go on.
I'm going upstairs as well. Yeah. Go straight to the middle.
As you can see, guys, these are
And from there, just make sure you get to this corner.
very steady. Found some ladders. Whoa, that's cool. As you can see, look how cool this looks. So, as I said, if you are coming here, please be very careful, because it's not for the faint-hearted. As you can see, we have found some ladders to go down. Oh, this cool. This side is cool, isn't it?
That's sturdy as fuck.
That's steady as well, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wicked.
Yeah, that ain't moving.
Yeah. And there's some. Oh, that's where we came down from, right? That's where we came down from.
This is so much better
As
than
you
the
can
other
see, yeah.
side. Anything around here?
It's the best. Rehan, put your mask on, please. Put your mask on. It's asbestos. Asbestos is no good for you. If you breathe it in, it's not good for you. It's like a mold. It's like a mold, yeah. So yeah, if you breathe it, it's not good for you. Just put your mask on, please. It's proper sick, man. What's this? Oh, there's a ladder look to go up there. Go across. We got a mill. There's nothing in there.
Yeah,
What's in there?
I can't see you now, and if you walk through, the sturdy.
Should we try to find a way in for the other ones? So they can come in.
Oh, Sam, come back. We're trying to find a way
before-
first.
The way in. Maybe we can smash a door in or something, you know, so they can come in. That doesn't look very safe.
Oh, that's where the car park is, so there.
All right.
There's something that way. Oh, that's why Sam. You need to storage it all.
I've literally got 6%. Hey guys, I hope. Well, we're finished from the Albury, Langley, Maltings, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully we'll try to get some more done this year, and I just want to say that stay safe wherever you are, and God bless, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao.